Hey ladies, it's me, the Natural Cole, your how-to resource for natural hair. And in this video, I'm going to do a voiceover of a video that I recorded over a year ago about how I do my wash and go. You ladies are always asking me, Cole, how do you do a wash and go? How do you do a wash and go? And guys, sometimes I'm going to be honest, it's really hard for me to record a wash and go video because either I have to do it in the shower or I have to do it while I'm standing in the mirror doing my hair. And you know, to do a wash and go, your hair needs to be soaking wet. So I don't know when I'm going to give you an updated video. I really need to find someone to help me record while I'm doing a wash and go, or maybe find a bigger place, a bigger bathroom that I can use to do a wash and go video. Or maybe I'll try to, record an updated one soon. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a video, like I said, I recorded a year ago, and I'm going to show you step by step of what I did in this video to achieve a wash and go hairstyle. So the products I'm going to use are from Adwoa Beauty. I'm going to use the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in, and the curl defining gel. Those are the products that I'm going to use here in this video, and my styling tool is going to be a dimming brush. The first thing you're going to see me do in this video is wash my hair with the Adwoa moisturizing shampoo. This shampoo is really great. It does not strip the hair, and it's easy to detangle with. Now, after I shampoo, I'm here applying the deep conditioner through my hair, and then I'm going to apply some oil to my scalp. Okay, I apply that throughout my hair, and then I'm going to put on a plastic cap and sit under my hooded dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes to deep condition my hair. After I've deep conditioned and rinsed it out, I'm going to put in the leave-in conditioner. Now, one thing that I did find out with this leave-in conditioner, it is best if you use this leave-in conditioner on wet, soaking wet hairs, because it's really going to help it to distribute the product through the hair. So as you can see, here I have sectioned my hair, and I am detangling and clumping those curls with the dimming brush. After I do that, I'm going to take a little bit of the curl defining cream, rub it in my fingers, and I'm going to apply it to my hair. As you can see, I'm working in small sections, and you can see that I've applied the product to the first section. Now I'm parting my hair on the second section. I'm getting it soaking wet. I'm getting my dimming brush, brushing through that section to help detangle and define the curls. And then I'm getting the gel, and I'm working the gel through. When using this gel, you want to work it through, and then you want to make sure you apply more water, because the more water you use is going to help to distribute the product. My hair, as you can see, is fully is complete, and this is what my hair looked like after I let it air dry at work. This is what my hair looked like because I didn't have time to sit under a hooded dryer. And you can see that my curls are nicely defined. I have nice defined coils. And all I did that night was I slept on a satin pillowcase, and I woke up and I still had coils. I still had nice curls. My curls are still defined, and the curls are still popping, as you can see in this video. So guys, this is what I do to my hair. I recorded this video over a year ago. My hair was a little bit longer than this, but it did grow out, and I recently got it cut again. But I do those same steps. I wash, I deep condition, I apply leave-in, and I then proceed to apply the gel to my hair, and that's it. My routine has not changed. So I just want to give you guys a quick overview, a voiceover of that video to show you, explain to you step by step what I did in that video. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you know anyone who is struggling to maybe achieve a wash and go and really don't know what to do. share this video with them. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you will know when I upload a new video. And until next time, this is the Natural Cole, your how-to resource for natural hair.